Christmas is right around the corner and Dollar Tree has some of the best Christmas items yet. Trust me when I say you don't want to sleep on them. Welcome back, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you some super awesome items that I found at Dollar Tree specifically for Christmas. I feel like this year they have outdone themselves and they have so many cute items that you're definitely going to want to pick up if you see. So I'm going to go ahead and share those items with you, and just a brief haul also because I bought so much stuff for so many different projects that I have going on for you guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Araceli. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I would love for you guys to stick around. I post a video about once a week. I try for 2, but more than likely you will get a video from me once a week. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. You'll become part of the DIY family, and hit the notifications, all notifications, so you're notified when I do upload a video. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the haul, and I'm gonna start showing you guys some of the cute items that I found. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with all the florals and fabrics that I found that are meant for Christmas, and actually some aren't even specifically for Christmas, but you can definitely use them for your Christmas decor. All right, so I just have my basket full of all the florals and stems that I picked up this year. I feel like their Christmas stems are really nice in comparison to what I remember from last year. They do have a lot of the glitter stems and frosted stems. I was actually not able to find like the ones that are textured like the lamb's ear. So I picked up several of these stems, which by the way, you can also find at Walmart for like 97 cents. So if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, run to Walmart, you might be able to find these there. And they also have a ton of these branch stems as well. And then these do come in like different shades. I don't think you'll be able to tell on my camera or not, but they do have like a more gold tone, and then some that are a little bit more on the silver side. And then I also found a lot of these stems with the pine cones and the berries. And I did find different ones. There's ones with the red berries and then also with the silver berries. And you guys will see also that the pine cones themselves have the different colored glitter as well. Technically, I guess this is not like greenery or bundled stems, but it's similar. You guys know these have been out for several years. Every year they come out, I always try to pick up several of them because they do run out fast, at least on my end. And they do have the green little Christmas tree and then also the white ones. These are really awesome when you want to create like a tabletop setting, or even if you put them together and you can make like a taller tree. Would not pass up these trees if you see them. I just have a ton of bags. I'm telling you guys, I overdid it. Well, I didn't overdo it because I use them for my work, but so a lot of the times you guys are gonna see crafts that are done with like the buffalo check print and all that. I know Dollar Tree carries the scarves that you guys can use if you can't find scarves. I mean, if you wanna not go to a regular fabric store like Joann's or somewhere where you're gonna spend a little bit more on fabric, you can always take a chance and go to Dollar Tree and look around. You don't necessarily have to look at a fabric store to find fabric that you might use for your Christmas decorations. For example, head on over to the kitchen section of Dollar Tree and you're gonna find these really cute buffalo check hand towels, which clearly we got your Christmas colors right here. That is actually a pretty good sized piece for a smaller DIY. And then you can head on over to where they have all their attire, I guess, with their shirts and their socks, and you're gonna find a ton of different cute fuzzy socks with all the plaid and or buffalo check or stripes or whatever you want to call them that are perfect to create some really awesome Christmas decor as well. Well, if you can't find anything in the clothing section, well then head on over to the automotive section because they have these really awesome terry cloth towels. I actually use these quite a bit, maybe a couple of years ago. It's really soft material. It definitely gives that look like that wintry Christmas look. And then if you can't find anything at the automotive section, go ahead and head on over to the cleaning section, and they have these microfiber mop pads that you can try to use as well. Again, you guys can see super fluffy, soft, and perfect for Christmas. So on my trip there this time around, I feel like they had a full aisle of just wooden crafts, and I think there is such a big selection this time around. A lot of the stuff that I found was from their Crafters Square, and I think that every Dollar Tree should have that now. Every Dollar Tree that I have here now has the Crafters Square section. I know before not all of them had it, but I think Dollar Tree has figured it out, and so I hope that you guys are able to find some of this stuff. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick a couple of the things that I've seen before, which are these wooden Christmas trees. So useful for so many different types of crafts. One of the newer items that I found this year was actually this little wooden red truck. It's not red yet because we haven't painted it. So the little truck with the Christmas tree in the back, and I feel like this would be super easy to just pop right off if you don't want the tree on there. But again, there's so many different things you guys can make with this. You could use it for a wreath, you can make an actual truck, kind of like the one that I made in my last video. Technically, these were not found in the Christmas section, they were found in the fall section, but could totally remake them to do some really cute Christmas crafts. And then I also really like that they have these little lit, I guess they're called LED ornaments, which we'll get to the ornaments later. I have some really fun projects coming up, so you guys will definitely be seeing a lot of these in the future. Yeah, they do have different ones. They have the little houses and then also the little truck. And they also have these 3D craft kits with all the little wooden goodies as well. You guys can see, I think I got the same one. No, I didn't get the same one. One of them has the snowman, and then the other one has Santa Claus right in there. So that's it for all the wooden crafts and craft kits that I found. The garlands that you're always gonna find at Dollar Tree are these ornament ball garlands with the little beads. I see them every year. They do have multiple colors, and I just think these are really great and festive. But the ones that I was really excited for this year were the pine cone garlands, and you guys saw me use these in my last video as well. They do have different colors online. The only ones that I found at the store were the silver painted ones, and then also the white ones. These are actually like 9 feet long or something like that. And then also, there's so many different types of string lights that they carry now. Before, I used to just get the little wire string lights that either came in silver or copper, and then they came out with like the more Christmassy lights. They have multicolored lights, and this year I just found so many different ones with Christmas tree and the truck. But the ones that I was most excited to find were these ones that I picked up and brought home, and these are also like a garland, but also like the LED wire light. And you guys can see here it has a little bit of greenery, and then this one is also gold if you decide to go with a gold themed Christmas, which at this point I just got whatever I saw, because I know once it's gone, it is gone. So I would definitely recommend you guys, I don't recommend you guys going to Dollar Tree just to go to Dollar Tree, but if you see something that you like, you should go right now if you're planning on making some DIYs. But yeah, I think the garlands and lights are super cute this year, and it makes me excited to what they're gonna come up with next year. Now let's talk a little bit about all of their signs, well, not all of their signs, but some of their signs and their ornaments as well. I think that the little gnome dude is definitely trending this year. I think it was popular last year, but I'm seeing it all over the place this year, especially with the Dollar Tree signs. You guys can see they have different sizes. They have the gnome shape, they have the square ones, they have the long rectangle ones, and this is actually one that I picked up that I thought was super cute. You have a different gnome for each letter of the welcome sign. You're not super crafty to where you want to change it up completely. This is perfect just the way it is, and not worrying about what are the neighbors gonna say. I don't have the expensive Hobby Lobby decorations. Speaking of Hobby Lobby, I think Dollar Tree has upped their comparisons with their ornaments. I found a ton of new ornaments at one of the Dollar Trees. Every year you're gonna find ornaments. For example, you're gonna find these little guys right here. They always come in this tube with like the different colors. I love that we're not stuck with the reds and the greens and the, you know, traditional Christmas colors. I like that they do have, you know, the blush pink and the rose gold. And I also love that they have different textures. But aside from like the regular ball ornaments, they have different types. So I did see these last year, like the little glitter reindeer, and then the one that comes in the 2-pack, as well as just the single reindeer. This is the first year that I see these tree ornaments, though I have seen them on some videos, but this is the first time that my year has them, so these are very new to me. And I was really excited to see these more like high-endish Dollar Tree ornaments as well. This is, again, something that you would see at like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. You use as is or take it apart and redo it to however you like. But I think like those fabric ornaments and then the pine cone looking ornaments, those are super cute and definitely look a lot more expensive than $1. So I'm coming to the very end here. I'm gonna show you guys the decor and then also fillers. So this is more of like random stuff for Christmas. I found some really cute fillers for any type of Christmas DIY, whether it's a candle holder that you want to fill with fake snow. If you don't have fake snow, you guys can get these packs with the faux snow. I do see a lot of these little glitter snowflakes. These are foam. You can keep them as is or you can paint them, but these are great as filler, hence why I call this like the filler. And these could be filler and decor as well, because you can fill maybe, where is it? I lost my, oh, I'm back. So like these little globes right here, you can fill the globe, the snow globes with, oh, these are also new to my Dollar Tree as well. I hadn't seen them last year. You can fill the little trees or you can use them as decor on like a setting or a table setting. I love that they have the little wooden round at the bottom. They're glitter, like silver, just regular white, and they still do have the little green trees as well, which are perfect for like traditional Christmas decor. And then they also have these little candle holders or like tea light holders that you can repaint and, you know, do to your liking. I always try to think outside the box or think of like, what can I do if I don't like how this looks? What can I do to it to make it more my style? And I hope you guys do that too. And then last but not least, I was so excited about this. I had not seen these before at my Dollar Tree this year. So again, totally new to mine. And they did have in red and then the silver. I didn't really like the red, so I just got the silver and I only picked up a couple. I guess if you can't find these, maybe you can find a dog bowl and then cut the bottom out and then paint it to how you like it. See, there you go. That's how you guys get your creative juices flowing. And then also a big old truck just went by my house. So if you guys heard that in the background. So that is it, you guys, on these amazing new items for Christmas that Dollar Tree has brought out for 2021. Super excited for what they're gonna come out with next year. I shouldn't be thinking about next year already because I'm barely like focusing on this year. But yeah, I think that if you guys do get a chance, depending on how far your Dollar Trees are, it's not a bad idea to Dollar Tree hop and see what they have. I'm gonna call it good because I gotta go make some crafts for you guys for the next video. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love for you guys to hit that thumbs up and then let me know in the comments if you guys have seen any of these Dollar Tree items at your Dollar Tree and what you wish you would see at your Dollar Tree. And then also don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.